Hi, boys and girls. Today we are working on lesson 12.5, problem solving. Make new two-dimensional shapes. Yesterday, you learned how to combine the two shapes. You did an excellent job. So today we are going to make a more challenge. We are going to learn how to combine the shapes into new shape by using two steps. Ready? It will be super fun. Number one, let's look at questions and learn how to do it. Carol wants to combine shapes to make a circle. She used these shapes. How can Carol make a circle? Okay, so now we know Carol wants to make a circle, and this is the shapes she going to use. Let's try to look at these shapes first. Let's try to describe it. Okay, so by looking at these shapes, we know these shapes have two straight lines and a curved side, right? A curved size. So think about it. We are going to make a circle like that. Do you see any straight lines? No. So we are going to try to find a way to combine the shapes as many times as we want in order to make the circle. Okay, let's try the step one. In order to make a circle, we need to combine these shapes as a new shapes and then think about how can we use these new shapes to combine and to get the circle we wanted. So we know when we combine these two shapes, we are going to get a half circle. We also call it semicircle. Once we got a half circle, think about it. If we got two half circle, we can get a full circle. Is it correct? Yes, I think you agree with me. So, this is the way we use two steps to make these shapes become a circle. Right? We can use these two semicircle. Once we combine them, I will get a fully circle. Very good. Is it fun? Right? Let's try another questions. Let's turn to next page. And the question asks us to use small square to make a large square. So this is another two-step combination we need to do in order to make a small square to become a larger square. Okay, so I'm going to use two small squares. So first steps, we can put this small square on the top of another square. So once we do that, what kind of shapes we can have? We are going to have a rectangle. Very good. So now by doing the first step, we make two square as a rectangle. Is it a big square we wanted? No. This rectangle is not a big square. So for step 2, we have two rectangle. So now we can combine these two rectangle into a big square. Let's see. So I'm going to move here, try to fit the outline as possible, and then we have a large square. So this is how we use two steps to make a big square from a small square, right? We use a full small square actually to make this big square. Okay, so now it's a square to square. How about we can use the triangle to make a rectangle? This is a little tricky, huh? We are not just moving the triangle to fit the outline, but also we need to think about it. If we need to make a three-size triangle to become a four-size square, what can we do? This is a very easy way we can do it. We are going to find a longer side for a triangle, and then we are going to match these two longer sides together in order to make four side shapes. Okay, so let's try it. First of all, I'm going to move this triangle to fit this square. This is only a half square now. So how about this one? If we just move straightly, it won't work. So we need to rotate it. try to rotate the shapes and then to fit the longer sides together in order to make a square. Okay, so this is a square we make, but is it end? No, the question asks us to use a triangle to make a right angle, and this is only a square. But you definitely know if we have a two square, we can make a right angle. You are definitely correct. So this is the shapes I make. It's not perfect, but I think you can tell, right? So we are going to combine these two squares together in order to make a right angle. Very good. So this is the way how we can use a triangle to make a right angle by using two steps, right? First step, we do a square. Second step, we make a right angle. Nice. Okay, now you can practice share and show page. Remember, this is a two-step questions. Always ask yourself, what is the new shapes I can make by using the shapes the question gave us? And then use the new shapes to make the final shapes we want. Okay, finish your homework page and upload to Class Dojo. Have fun!